The decision on whether or not to extend the Bush-era tax cuts is still in limbo, but whatever Congress decides, you could start feeling the effects in your paycheck come January.
Joining us this morning is Scott Mezzostrano, Senior Manager of Government Relations from the American Payroll Association. Scott, nice to see you this morning.
Thanks very much for having me.
So the bottom line here is if Congress comes back in session, they don't have much time to get this done. So people could really see an increase in taxes taken out of their paycheck. Is that right?
That's right. Besides all of us being concerned about the effect that the expiration of these tax cuts could have on our paycheck, there could be an impact on businesses, which would compound it all, because if Congress delays this action into December, businesses likely won't have enough time to reprogram their payroll systems in time for the first paycheck or two in January.
Scott, let's take a look at one real-life example. If this is a married couple, okay, that with one wage earner, they make $80,000. Apparently, the withholding from their twice-a-month paycheck would be an additional $221. But hold on a second, because didn't President Obama say that for any couple that makes $200,000 or less, there wouldn't be a change? They wouldn't lose any money from their paychecks.
Well, and President Obama has proposed that all but the top two tax rates those tax cuts would be extended into the coming year for everybody except for single individuals making more than $200,000 a year and families making more than $250,000 a year.
But then how do you explain that example from this Bloomberg article that people's paychecks who make $80,000 or less would go up? I mean, they would lose $221.
Well, those examples are based on the complete expiration of all the tax cuts. And, nobody has a crystal ball to know exactly what Congress is going to do, but there seems to be the expectation that at least the first four tax rates will be extended. That is, the current tax cuts on those rates will be extended into the next year.
All right, Scott Mezzostrano, we appreciate you joining us this morning. Thanks so much.